Walang sumuporta sa unang araw? Does your new hire walk into chaos on day 1? Baka ikaw rin, ganito, tulad ko dati. There's a business owner na tawagin natin siyang si Joyce na meron siyang optical shop. Si Joyce hired a new sales assistant. She was excited. Finally, meron ng somebody who can help her. Pero on the new hire's first day, Joyce was out meeting a supplier. Nobody in the shop knew that the new person was starting. Walang nag-welcome, walang nag-orient. The staff looked at the new hire and said, "Si ma'am po ang bahala sa iyo. Wala siya ngayon." So the new hire sat in the corner for hours. She watched the staff work. Nobody talked to her, nobody gave her anything to do. Tapos the next day, Joyce came in and said, "Hey, start ka na. Observe mo muna si ate dyan." No clear instructions kung anong i-observe. No goals for the week. No explanation of how things work. By the third day, yung bagong hire was really confused. And by the fifth day, she felt invisible. So by the end of the second week, wala na. Nag-resign na siya. And Joyce was very frustrated. Ang bilis naman niyang sumuko, sabi ni Joyce. Pero anak, think about it. If you walked into a new place and nobody welcomed you, nobody guided you, nobody told you what to do, would you stay? Ito yung lesson. A new hire's first day tells them everything about how much you value them. If nobody's ready for them, they feel unwanted. And of course, unwanted people leave. Kaya, laging tandaan ito ha. Do not assume that they can learn by simply watching. Kailangan natin silang i-orient. Always remember, be business-minded, Pinoy.